Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tomica Table, and today I have with me a Rakuten Eagles Tomica event model exclusive to a Tomica event in Japan, unsurprisingly, because, well, they're never gonna sell these in other countries, so, anyway, let's just get into the review. So first off, with the box right here, we have Rakuten Eagles right here. This is apparently the logo, and the copyright is down there. Have quite an interesting box because, you know, some Tomica event models or event specials have red theme boxes where everything is red, but this is red and black, something that Tomica doesn't really do too often. So for the new Bay Stars Fair Lady Z that came out, I think in the Osaka event, I need to check on that one, and well, that one was a complete blue box, I should think, so do correct me if I'm wrong, but this box looks pretty weird. Because, hey look, a black and red box, something you don't see every day. Like Takara Tomy, usually blue, it's black here, and Tomica, usually bright red, like this kind of stuff right here. Yep, it's black as well. So anyway, enough ranting with the front of the box, and now on the top, we have the normal Tomica event model logo right there. Some words in Japanese, and the licensing with the Rakuten Eagles. So there is a license number right there, and more stuff in Japanese. Over at the back, it's from a 2015 event model, and now it's time to get into the truck. This one is the classic event truck style. So it's the, well, I don't think it's based off a real car. Yes, it's this one. You couldn't really see it too well from the box. I really like this casting, so nice to have this one. Tomica event model on this side, which I think there is a regular Tomica event model version of this on this side, and Rakuten Eagles right there. And well, yeah, sorry for the cut just now. Someone had to come into the room. So anyway, this Eagles logo right here is basically an E outlined in yellow, which seems to be the same E as the one for Eagles. So maybe it's just the miniature form of the logo for Rakuten Eagles with the copyright right below the symbol. Just love this casting because of the 6 wheels with 2 in front and 1 behind. Something you don't really see on Tomica trucks anymore. And while on this side we have a much more detailed cab with like 4 windows, while this side just has 3. So Tomica logo down here on this side, and on the other side it was the Rakuten Eagles logo. No opening parts for the cab, but for the rear right here we have Rakuten Eagles on a silver sticker with some cool little figurines or figures printed on the side, and then Rakuten Eagles copyright again. I think you just use one on the base of the car or on the box, but you know, having it everywhere kind of ruins the feel of the truck. Well, anyway, sorry about that. This opens and opens again to reveal a sort of platform. So let me just bring the camera back, and yeah, you can see it kind of reaches up quite high. So that's like almost another whole car. So behind doesn't really roll well because this platform thing is perfectly set on the ground. So really nicely done. It's just like perfectly resting there. It's not like it's hanging off like what happens if you lift it up. It just rests really nicely. So it makes a funny noise, but that works, and I can kind of close this as well when the platform is down. And the platform is just another Rakuten Eagles logo, which is the same as the one on the sticker right here, but this one has no yellow outline. So I'm just gonna throw the platform back in there, and yeah, why I love this truck. And this truck is probably called the Tomica event model truck or event car. Here we go. Event car is not even a car, so maybe they should have just called the event truck or something, because it's obviously not a car and more of a truck. So yeah, I guess that's pretty much it for, oh, wait a minute. A T-Kid next to, it looks like part of Japan, I guess. No idea, just looks like it. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments below. And Tomica event model in yellow, and some Japanese words right there. And you have again the Tomica event model at the back. So I guess that's pretty much it for today's video. So thank you all for watching. Do like, comment, and subscribe.